What's going on, folks? I'm Mrmasonluke, and today I'm going to give you some big news. So I put in to do a workshop at the Philly Trans Health Conference last year, but I didn't get it last year. They did a whole approval process, wasn't accepted, but this year it was. So come August 2nd through 4th, I will be in Philly, and I will be doing a workshop on Friday. It's, I believe, at like 4 o'clock. So if you would like to come to my workshop, it's called Navigating Products to Relieve Dysphoria in and Out of the Bedroom, which goes mostly along the lines of packing and peeing products. So I'm going to actually be bringing my prosthetic collection with, and you guys will actually have an opportunity to see these items in person. You'll get to touch them, feel them, whatever. Not pee with them, just touching and feeling. So that you guys can make a more informed decision before you buy, so that way you know that you're picking out something that's right for you. So hopefully that'll help you guys out. I hope you guys will see me in Philly. But I look forward to being there and being able to bring this service to the community to show you guys stuff and give some feedback on it before you guys buy it. So hopefully I'll see you in Philly. Don't forget to hit subscribe to hear more updates like this.